Today I will introduce you the mentoring program website, MyVistula. You can access to the website by going to myvistula.com, and you will be welcomed by this page. Here you can see our contact media, social media channels, and our mail address. Our mail address is mentorbrody@pl. If you have any issue or any problem, question about the mentoring program, you can email us through mentorbrody@pl. Here in announcement section, you will see our events, meetings, or any kind of activities that will be reported in announcements section. And you have two options as login and register. If you are old user, you can log into the website, but if you are new user, you have to register first. In the registration section, you have to write your email, which should be same as in Brody system, because otherwise the system will not accept your request. And you have to choose a password, and please choose a password that you will not forget, so you will not have a problem in the future. And later you can register. When you register, your name will appear in the right corner, and when you come to your name, you will see my profile. It is the information about you, your name, your number, your email address, your register date, and later you can update some information about your profile, and you can update your password. Report section is the most important part of my Vistula website. When you go to this section, you will see that this kind of page appearing. If you're a new user, you can start by making a new report, and later on you can see your reports in this section. Name is about the event name, activity names, and upload time and status, and also you can see your uploaded report here in action section. You have three different status of report. First is not read, which means you just uploaded your report and it's not evaluated yet, and it maximum takes 2 weeks for us to read your reports. Accepted is when you have no any issue in your report, so your report is accepted. Not accepted is when you have some kind of problem with the picture or description is not clear. You'll get a comment about like why it is not accepted, and you can fix your problem and upload it again as a new report. When you make a new report, you will see these sections. First is event name. You can click here and pick one of these event names, and later you have to write how many mentees were included to the event. If you have more than one mentee, you have to write all of their names and separate them by comma. Here you can write dates and start and end time of the event. The start and end time should be in AM/PM system, because otherwise the website will not accept your request. And duration should be in hour time. If you have minutes like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 1.5 hour, you have to overall it. Location is the event location. If it's online, if it's offline, if it's university, it doesn't matter. You have to write the location. And description about event and what's the theme, what you did in this event, just brief description about it. Also, you have to upload some photo which is supporting the event, and it can be anything. It can be a selfie or any photo of the event location, and later you submit your report. That's all about the myvistula.com. If you have any question, you can contact us through mentorbrody@pl. Thank you for your attention.